Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we're going to be doing a series of videos that are all going to come out at different days on this particular Z335E zero turn by John Deere. I have had many questions on this machine, and unfortunately for the owner, it just keeps needing more things, more and more things. So today's video is going to be on how to remove the seat easily, right in the field if you need to, no big deal. The next video is going to be the starter being put on this thing. You can see I already have it taken off. And the third video we're going to film today is taking off the entire deck cover so that you can get to all the adjustments on the steering arms in case you have a loose arm or a broken arm, so you can see how that works. So hit the subscribe button and check for those videos. But today we're going to start with the seat. Please subscribe. Taking the seat off of this is very easy. Make sure your arms are out of the way. Flip this thing up. You're going to need a pair of pliers. If your cable here is good, just give that a twist and pull it apart, and now your cable is free. Now on here you have two L-shaped pins. Pull them up, they lock into place in the plastic. Pull them to the side. Come on, you rat fucker. Pull the pins out. You're going to have to unplug your seat switch. Easy enough. Now your seat is off. Putting it back on, just as easy. Line it up in the tracks so that your pins will go in place. You see that they come in from the inside. Give it a wiggle, give it a jiggle. Push it in, lock it down in the plastic. Easy enough. Plug your seat back in. Then this thing just pushes into place. After you twisted it off, it just pushes and locks back in place. And now our seat's back on. Longtime viewers of the channel are most likely wondering, Kelly, why the hell would you make a video like this? I get questions asked on over 800 videos since I started this channel, from anything from basics to rebuilds. So I make these videos for people who have never worked on their machine before, have no idea how this stuff works, but they want to learn. So if you fall into that category and you're trying to learn something for the first time, congratulations, welcome to the club. Good to see you. Hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls, and I'll see you soon.